What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. It's been quite some time since I posted. We are heading to DMX. We're going to work on corner speed and, most importantly, looking ahead, because I catch myself a lot of time just looking down at the fender, and that actually makes me ride a little more stiff and doesn't allow me to relax the way I should. So sometimes I feel like I'm squeezing the bar too much, and I develop her arm pump early in the moto. So we're just trying to work on that, and of course being proactive on the bike as opposed to reactive. So let's see how it goes. Made it to the track. First thing first, so we got all the tools out. Got the gear there ready, nice and washed. First thing first, most important thing, just check the air filter. Must admit, changed it last time. I just rode one moto because I had the puncture. It's pretty clean. I wouldn't wash it or change it, but this is by far, I believe, the most important thing you can do on your bike if you want the bike to last. It's difficult to get it done with my hands, but I think I managed. Honda, KTM, all these new bikes now, they have a really easy way to install the air filter. And yeah, good to go. On the previous clip I put some footage of the track. It's gonna be water soon, but now we're just gonna get ready. We're gonna crack on with the first warm-up moto, and then after they finish watering, we go for two fast one and a little longer ones. Sorry, came to the rescue. So nice, huh?
Little break.
We go together?
Huh?
You're so fast on the waves.
The whips?
Yeah.
It's not working for me. I don't know. I jumped the first one, and then I cased the second one coming up, and then just kind of bounced from there.
Yeah, you know what's like the thing that is sketchy a bit is the fact that there is a soft before the takeoff. Right. So I feel that even if I let go the throttle a bit, they're gonna have a bit of a handshake a bit. Yeah. And if you get the first sideways, I last bounce left and right.
That's how you oil the car. That's how you do it. So for sure, the engine will stay good at least 200 hours. It's really well oiled. Yeah. Where do you get this from?
This one I got it from New Zealand.
Cheap?
Yeah, it was cheap.
How much?
Bro, I think it was like maybe 60 dirham or something.
60 dirham?
Yeah.
That's freaking good. Like, there's a lot of this. 125.
Legit bike.
Gotta make sure there is no dirt in the airbox here. Otherwise, your engine is gonna breathe. Also, previous moto managed to nail 21 minutes. I had to drop the pace a bit at the end, but just try the 450.
Too much for me.
But it's better on the turn. You don't have that problem on the turns that bug when the sand it's soft, no?
So good.
There you go. Got it.